Hi, it's June the 3rd, 2020. 4 or 5 weeks ago, May the 3rd I think it was the last time I was able to upload a video onto YouTube. That took some time and I knew the trouble with the broadband was getting worse. Unfortunately, with coronavirus I was unable to get it fixed and get it sorted. But the BT engineer's been today and we've got it sorted and we're up and running again, fingers crossed. The first video I'm going to put on I received from Andrew Panton at the beginning of May. It's to do with the restoration of the rear turret of the Lancaster, not the rear turret support of the Lancaster and the 2 wingtips. You may have seen this video before because the centre have actually put it on. But I've got this one ready and several more to go on after this. So we'll try this one first. It's about 4 or 5 minutes long and we hope it works okay. If it does, then we'll start uploading the others. Cheers for now and thanks for watching and stay safe.
Hello and thank you for joining us for this short video from the Lincolnshire Aviation Heritage Centre at East Kirkby. Unfortunately, the museum is currently closed due to the coronavirus outbreak, but this weekend we would normally be having an event at the centre with the Lancaster taxiing, and our airshow team would normally be out this weekend at Shuttleworth Collection. Obviously that airshow has also been cancelled due to the coronavirus. So instead of us taxiing the Lancaster and having an event here, the aircraft is still in its winter maintenance. So the engine cowlings are off, so you can see the Merlin engines. The main wheels are back on the ground, but the tail wheel is still up, as we have the tail of the aircraft under maintenance and restoration at the moment. So walking through the hangar, obviously very quiet because we have nobody here, we're close to the public. We do of course still have an engineering team in doing the restoration work. Brand newly spun rear turret support ring here, and the original. Where the aileron just been finished. Come to the tail of the aircraft. See all the support structure for the turret and the skins have all been replaced. Currently just being drilled off, ready for riveting. The 2 turrets here, on the left of the image is FN82 turret, which is the original turret out of NX611 Just Jane. It's got 2.5 Brownings, a later turret which was introduced towards the end of the war. And we've got the FN121 here, which is on loan from the Yorkshire Air Museum. This will be fitted for this season if we ever actually taxi the aircraft. It's fitted with 4 303 Brownings as opposed to the 2.5s. As I say, it's on loan from our friends at the Yorkshire Air Museum, and very shortly it will be fitted to the aircraft. Looking into the FN121 turret here, you can clearly see the rounds in front of us which feed into the guns. In the centre here you have the hand controls, that's for the rotation and the azimuth of the turret. The seat where the gunner sits. And the gun sight in the front. Down at the bottom of the hangar we can see the 2 wingtips which are off the Lancaster and currently being rebuilt. So the port wingtip over here, a lot of those parts are now in the spray bay for spraying, so that'll be going together a bit more next week. And the starboard wingtip here in its jig is still having new parts put into it and trial fitted before they come out to be painted, and she can be finally built back up again. Unfortunately, we've had a lot of parts to replace on these wingtips due to corrosion and damage within them. The majority of the spars, which are the vertical bits you can see now, have had to be replaced. A lot of the stringers and the ribs inside as well, and of course all the outer skins will be replaced before they go back together again. So that's a quick look at NX611 as she sits this weekend. Unfortunately not taking part in any events here at the centre, and you won't be seeing any aircraft at any air shows unfortunately this weekend either. So keep safe everyone, hopefully we'll see you at the centre at some point this season.